Welcome to day 10. Today we'll learn Wheels on the Bus on guitar. In this course, we keep returning to your confidence. You have what it takes to achieve your dreams.
Guitar for Kids with David Aldridge.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Step 1. Before we jump straight in, I want to make sure you are listening carefully. I'll play through the song first. Sing along if you can.
Have you ever struggled to learn guitar? We are here to help you find your fun and power your confidence. Guitar Star in 30 Days is a fun-filled guide to learning guitar for children 6+, packed with challenges, facts, and quizzes to make kids smile. So, get involved, get creative, and remember, you're amazing! Take your Guitar Star in 30 Days challenge today by visiting davidguitarcoach.co.uk. See you in class! Let your light shine!
Step 2. You are doing so well. You're well on your way. And in step 2, we are going to learn all the notes. Remember, you can pause, rewatch the video as often as you like. Just follow along with me. Step 3. We are halfway there, and you are doing incredibly well. Now it's time to play along with me if you can. Here we go.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
There's something you honored today by listening to that voice inside that says, I'm ready for this. I want to share my own joy of music with my family, friends, or even the world. This is the last video of this course. What a journey it's been together. What a pleasure. You made it to the end, where most people don't, and I praise you for that. You showed me your superpowers throughout this course. You showed bravery and strength, and even when things got difficult, you pushed through. As you continue to grow and outlearn those around you, you have my complete admiration. I care about your well-being, confidence in your life. The link for the application is in the description, so go and apply now. Let's aim for the stars here. And until next time, see you soon.